Hi everyone, today we're going to see one topic called Autokey cipher. This is one of the cipher technique in cryptography and network security. Autokey cipher, it's one of the polyalphabetic substitution cipher. So here, the plain text is encrypted using key values, similar to the vanilla cipher. So, but the vanilla cipher, its key is repeated, but here is key is extended. So that is the difference between vinegar and polyalphabetic substitution cipher. So here, this method prevents the repetition patterns with it makes vinegar vulnerable to frequency analysis. In vinegar cipher, we use the repeated key value, so easily we can attack or we can get the information from the communication. But here there is a no repetition process. That is one of the important thing about this Autokey cipher. So we can more give toughness to the attackers, and there is a no frequency and analysis pattern in this particular cipher technique. Another one, Autokey cipher combines a secret keyword with plain text to generate a long unique key for a encryption. Key is not repeated, then what we have to do for the equalize the length? For that we use with the help of the plain text, we can combine this plain text with the key value, we can generate a new text and compare both are equal. Once it's equal, we start our process. So that is one of the secret keyword with the plain text to generate a long unique key for encryption. Step behind this Autokey cipher. The first step, convert letters to numbers. So already we have a 26 alphabet. So we are starting in the position A is 0, so up to 25. That 25th is belongs to Z. So now convert the all alphabet into numbers. After add the plain text with key value and take mod. We get a one value that is come under ciphertext. Again, that result is converted into that its value is converted into plain text. We get a one result that is our ciphertext. So the plain text is add with the key value, both are equal. If it is not equal, we can add the plain text in the extend the key value with add of plain text. So both are equal, then start our process. We can add the value, get mod, we get one value that is our new ciphertext. The same will be reversed to calculate the ciphertext into plain text. Key generation. So here the same constraint, key plain text value and key value will be same. If it is not, we equalize, then we start our process. So how it will be processed? Vinegar cipher, we repeat the key value, but here not repeat the key value. We can append the key value with plain text, whatever how many letters we need. So let's see the example. Plain text hello. The key value is KEY. So plain text is 5, key value is 3. We less two letters, so we can add the first two letters of plain text. So finally we get the key value is KEYHE. So we can add the plain text two letters. Now we can plain text and key value will be equal, we start our process. The same encryption and decryption with formula. So what is the formula for encryption is CEI is ciphertext equal to plain text plus key value mod 26. The same way decryption, plain text equal to CI ciphertext minus key value take mod, we get the plain text. This is the process of Autokey cipher. Let's see one example. So the plain text is allow key values KEY. So now we equalize the key value. For that we can add the plain text with key value. So what is the full key? KEY that is the full key. Now we can take it H and K. H is 7, K is 10, so total 17. What is the 17th alphabet? It is R. E 4 plus 4 8, 8 is I. L Y 11 24, so 35 take mod 26, that is the remaining 9, that is the 9 belongs to J. So same way we can calculate and get S and S. So now the ciphertext is RIJSS for the plain text hello. The same way we'll repeat for decryption process. So this is the auto key cipher. So what is the advantage of the auto key? Again, the repeating key weakness of vinegar cipher. Here there is a no repetition. So we extend the key value with the help of plain text. So it give more advantages, and also the order for frequency analysis, because we can repeat the key value. You can easily get the information key value, but here there is a not repeating the key value. We extend the key value with the plain text. The plain text will be different, so we don't know what is the frequency analysis. We can't help here to apply. Limitations, yes, this requires key will be secret. If a key value will be known easily, we can get the process. Easily we can get the values. So we can keep the keyword is to be secret. And also the plain text will start with predictable words. We can easily get it. That is one of the another one limitations of this particular cipher techniques. And the applications where it will be used, it used for academic learning of polyalphabetic ciphers and used it for classical cryptography examples. So these are the few additional information about the Autokey cipher. Thank you. Thanks for your time.